Today's question: what is your birthstone? What is your birthstone? If you have a palette, take your palette out. Let us play with some makeup. Let us create something beautiful because you are beautiful. In my comments today, one of my subscribers asked me if I can recreate my collab video, which I will put in the description box. If I can recreate that look with different colors, I'm going to do that now, and we will see how it comes out because I am just going to figure it out and play with makeup and come and create it as close as possible. So watch this video all the way to the end because it helped my watch time hours and push out my videos on YouTube. I base my eyes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye base primer, and I am now putting a white eyeshadow matte color all over it just to base it because I have very oily skin, and whenever I grease my scalp it makes it double greasy and oily on my skin because it does come down. So that's what I'm doing right now, and now I'm just brushing it up a little so it can be smooth. We want a little smooth canvas, you know. Yeah, there are wrinkles and all of that other stuff. Wrinkles, loose skin, puffy skin. Don't worry about that. Take your palette out and play with it. Have fun. One life to live. Make sure you live it and enjoy it. So that's the white I just put. I am just going to wing this with colors. They are in no order. I am just going to try figure it out and do it. Okay, so in the brow bone I'm going to use a light yellow. It's very, very light. Again, I am winging this look. We are going, I pick up too much. I'm going to wing this look and recreate it, and we're going to come out fabulous, you know. We will do a fabulous job. Different set of colors. The last set of colors I used was navy blue, black, green, and white, and a pink. Today I'm going to use a whole other set of colors. So my little ray of sunshine, I'm recreating the look so you can see. What you do to one eye, you do to the other. Next question is, what is your birth month? What is your birth month? Now we need a shimmer. This is the complete look of a duplication of the color for the Group Beauty Over 40 using the Face Shot by Rachel. These are the colors I used to recreate this look with different colors. It was requested by a subscriber. I use this palette by Blend Bunny, and these are the colors in here. This color, this color, this color, this color, and this color. The next question is, what is your birth sign? What is your birth sign? Today's inspirational word is, you can build a reputation on what you're going to do. You can build a reputation on what you are going to do. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I simply make up a saying to go out there and live a fabulous life. I will see you soon. Bye.